Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Today we do a little bit of an unboxing and an install. Stay tuned. Alright, so here it is. We're gonna go ahead and open this guy up. Yes, I have dye all over my hands. That's why the tips are black. So you'll have to deal with that during this video. So this is your DC Sports front strut bar for the 2009 to 2015 Scion XB. And here we go. Now I personally don't know anyone that has this. I've just seen them online, so we'll have to see what it looks like in person. Almost knocked you over there, I apologize. I ordered this on Thursday and it's already here, so that's kind of cool to get that fast shipping. And I think now only the staple is the only thing holding us back. Okay. Now I picked this one up off of eBay. This is a new one, of course. It was $129. And then with shipping and tax, it was like 140 bucks. So, shouldn't need a knife. It looks like it's just taped up, you know, like 7 times on each side, you know. And you know what? I don't want to mess with this. We're just going to cut that. Be careful, don't cut your bar. Don't want to obviously damage it. Now this comes easy. Oh, is that it? Cool. And there is some hardware down there. I can see that now. I'm not sure what the hardware is. There's the knife here. Here's the hardware. Guessing these are a shim or something of that nature. Go. Oh, this feels nice. The powder coating on this feels really nice. Or the paint, I can't tell if it's paint or powder coat, but okay. Looks nice. Now, this is not actually on here. You can see, you can actually move it, but it does appear to have a backing out of it. I can actually decide to have this on there or not. So I'll probably install it. Comes with a sticker, of course. That's the only thing I wanted. And now the instructions. So kind of show you what this is going on here. So if you'd like to read this, go ahead and pause it. And it looks like this is also for the Scion IM as well, so that's kind of cool. But I believe, oh, and the TC, I didn't see this the first time. But right on the front, there is a spot for the TC. So the Gen 2, so it's 2008, 2015 Scion XB, 2011 to 2016 TC, and the 2016 and up Scion IM, which there's only really one model year for that anyways, or one generation, so that's kind of cool. And this came from California. And there's 4 steps on this guy. So remove the 2 inner 10mm nuts on the top left of the shock tower. Remove the 4 total 2. Okay, so I got that. Place spacers over the shock tower bolts. Insert DC bar. Reinstall the original nuts. Proper clearance components if necessary. And we torque it down to 43. So you're basically gonna take off the 2 shock bolts on each side. Install a spacer on each. And then go ahead and put the new stuff right on top. So that will be getting done today. So overall quality, definitely feels good. I don't have any issues with the paint. It feels smooth, there's no rough patches. So definitely liking it so far. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this guy applied. There is the part number there. And it's identical on the opposite side, so all the bends and all that stuff are the same. Very nice. As you know, there are 2 or 3 bolts here. Actually, we only need to take off these outside ones. The inside one that's furthest back will stay. And for this job, you're going to need a 14mm. So go ahead and grab that. All right, that one is off. Let's go ahead and get that bolt out now. And now it's time to get the spacers on. Okay, so what I end up having to do is, since we do have the bags, these bolts are taller than stock. So we are putting the spacers on top. I actually think that's how it's supposed to go, but it had a real hard time getting the rear ones in because how tall the studs go. But after messing with it for a little bit, we finally got it locked on. And now it's time to tighten the bolts up with the spacers and go from there. Well, that's it for today's video. Again, I want to thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos, the support. We hit 600 plus subscribers, and we're on our way to 650 subscribers for the end of April. This is my birthday month. I'm not begging, I'm not asking, but if you do enjoy the videos and you like to be part of the channel, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys around next week. Take care.